Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more update. In this tutorial, we will refine an uneven path using the direct selection tool. Begin by selecting your object and zooming into the rough edges. Now activate the direct selection tool to display all anchor points. Start with the first point and gently pull the handle outward. This will open the curve and smoothen the flow. Next, move to adjust anchor for continuing shaping. Drag the handle slightly downward to match the first curve. Continue this path across the top section. Once done, move along the side from vertical refinement. Pull anchors inward for a tidy and symmetrical edges. Now correct the bottom curve by lifting its anchor slightly. Adjust the handle